So over here you can see that I got this particular form right here in its default colors. It looks a certain way. But if I want to go ahead and change it out, you can go ahead on to Form Designer, and here under colors you can see that I can select out color scheme as I like. I can go ahead and choose this color, let's say for example, and the entire feel of the page, as you can see, changes out. I can go around over here as well and select different themes right here. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and change the page color to, let's say for example, certain color as you like. You can even go ahead and place an image, enter a URL of the image, or from my image you can go ahead and select out an image that you like and use the selected image as the background. Apart from that, you got the font color as you can see, and you can go ahead and change out the color as you like right here, and the text color right here changes out accordingly. Apart from that, you can see that the input background color is white, but you can go ahead and change out the color of it accordingly right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and click on preview form right here, just like this. And then what happens is that I get this particular color right here, just like this. So now you can see that the form color now has changed out. And that is how you can go ahead and change out form color in Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.